Hello friends, today we are going to see the next part of the unit number 5, electrical systems, magneto-coil ignition systems, most widely used in vehicles. Myself Mr. S.P. Udgave, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. One of the most important part of the vehicle, that is a magneto-coil ignition system, and the different types of ignition systems used in vehicles. Now we can see one by one. The table contained Introduction to Magneto Ignition System. What are magneto ignition system? What are the different uses of systems? Different types of systems, in which first we can see the first type, mechanical breaker point ignition system, that is also called as in short form MBI. Second one, capital CDI, that is also called as a capacitive discharge ignition system. And third one, TCI, is the transistor controller ignition system. And lastly, we can see the summary of the all the types of advantages and their applications. So we can continue with the introduction of the magneto ignition system. The purpose of an ignition system is to provide the sufficient electrical voltage to discharge a spark plug to precisely the right time to ignite highly compressed air fuel mixture. And the magneto ignition systems provide the current for ignition without any outside primary source of electricity. Different uses. The primary use of magneto ignition system are in small gasoline powered engines such as lawn mowers. You can see the image. At that old days, they are mostly use the magneto ignition system to ignite the gasoline powered engines. Next, we can see the different types of ignition systems. The first one, MBI, mechanical breaker point ignition system. Second one, CDI, capacitive discharge ignition system. And third one, TCI, is the transistor controller ignition system. The first, mechanical breaker point ignition, one of the type of ignition system. The MBI system uses condenser to prevent current from arcing across the breaker point. That is a gap as the point opens. You can see in the image. So this is the mechanical breaker point ignition system. So particular, that is a use for to prevent the current from arcing across the breaker point gap between the spark plug. So advantages of mechanical breaker point ignition system MBI does not require a primary source of electricity in order to produce the ignition in the engine. So without any electricity supply, we can generate the arc. Through the use of the flywheel and the condenser, a continuous current is generated and can be easily broken for stopping purpose by use of the condenser. So these are the advantages of mechanical breaker point ignition system. Without electricity, we can generate the arc. So old days, all the vehicles most widely use the mechanical breaker point ignition system. Second type of ignition system, capacitive discharge ignition system, that is also called as a CDI, is a solid state ignition system in which it is one of the newest ignition system used today. The CDI is the breakerless and the moving mechanical parts are replaced with the electronic components. The only moving parts are magnets attached to the flywheel. The figure we can see the capacitive discharge ignition system. Also, you can take the reference with the net or the particularly YouTube to find out the capacitive discharge ignition system animation. You can see. So in this, the moving parts are replaced with the electronic components and less maintenance, and the those drawbacks having the mechanical breaker point ignition systems are replaced with the capacitive discharge ignition system. Advantages of the capacitive discharge ignition system is very easy to troubleshoot by the turning the flywheel and watching the spark plug gap for the spark. And the CDI is compact and maintenance free since the only moving parts are the flywheel magnets. So less moving parts, so less maintenance and the maintenance free with also having the low cost compared with the mechanical breaker point ignition system. So CDI use that is shown in figure. Third type, transistor controller ignition system. As the flywheel magnets rotates, they passes by the ignition coil in the system. The magnetic field of the magnets induces current in the primary windings of the ignition coil and creating the charge for the spark. So this image shows the transistor control ignition system through which we can generate the spark, and the advantages of the TCI as with CDI capacitive discharge ignition system. The only moving parts are the magnets on the flywheel. The timing of the TCI is more precise with use of transistors and does not use any mechanical breaker contacts, but utilizes the semiconductor instead of that. So this is a TCI use. You can see with the TCI transistor controller ignition system. That is one of the example is a Maruti 800. So very precisely we can generate the spark inside the cylinder. And summary, the primary purpose of the ignition system is to provide the sufficient voltage to discharge the spark plug, and the three types of magneto-ignition system have advantages over the other but have different use for each. Small engines most prominently use magneto-ignition system for firing the ignition of the engine. So these are the few images. Thank you. Stay connected for the next videos.